Most homeowners and investors fall into this trap, believing that if they spend $30,000 on a new pool, their home values should increase by $30,000, or that the cost of a new roof directly adds to their appraisal. But here's the truth. Cost does not equal value, and while we're at it, price doesn't equal value either. Let's set the record straight. Cost is the money you spend, plain and simple. That includes materials, labor, permits, all the direct expenses it takes to build or improve a property. It's objective, it's trackable, and in appraisal terms, it forms the foundation of what we call the cost approach. The cost to rebuild a property from scratch minus depreciation plus land value. Price is what a buyer pays and a seller accepts. It's the number you see on the closing statement. It's real, it's recorded, and it's entirely based on what the two parties agree upon in that moment. Now, value is where things get interesting. Value is subjective. It's not what's spent or what was paid. It's what the market thinks something is worth. It's influenced by demand, location, utility, timing. In appraising, target market value, the most probable price under normal market conditions. So why does cost not equal value? Let's say you install a beautiful in-ground pool for $30,000. Sounds like a value boost, right? But in many markets, you might only see a $5,000 increase in your home's value. Why? Because not everyone wants a pool maintenance, safety concerns, regional weather. It all plays a role. Industry sources confirm pools often return just 10 to 20% of their cost. Same with the new $10,000 roof. Buyers expect a functioning roof. It's like changing your car's tires. It's maintenance, not an upgrade. The cost doesn't directly translate into appraised value because of depreciation and market expectations. So now let's talk about why price does not equal value. Just because someone paid a price doesn't mean that's what the property is truly worth. A motivated seller might accept less. A bidding war could drive the prices higher than any appraiser would support. And here's the twist. Even a fairly priced home can sit on the market if demand dries up. That's the gap between price and value, where emotion, urgency, and timing all influence the final number. In appraising, we understand this as the three factors impacting value: economic, government, and environmental. So now let's talk about value versus cost. According to industry reports like Zonda's cost versus value, some of the highest ROI improvements are actually on the outside of the house. Top exterior ROIs include garage door replacement up to 194% ROI, steel entry door around 188%, stone veneer approximately 153%. Meanwhile, interior projects like minor kitchen or bath remodels typically return 70 to 90%. But what about luxury upgrades? Think upscale kitchens, spa like baths or fancy basements, often recoup only 40 to 60%. Some, like pools or custom decor, may even turn buyers away in certain markets. But I would be remiss if I didn't leave you with this warning. We appraisers live by this rule. Cost does not equal value. The three standard approaches, sales comparison, income, and cost, help us triangulate market value accurately. Before starting any major project, check local ROI data. National averages don't tell the whole story. Of course, all of these numbers are subject to change, so remember to consult your local real estate professional before diving in. So now, what should you do? If you're upgrading for your own enjoyment, go for it. Just understand it may not all come back in resale. If you're renovating to sell, stick to smart, high ROI projects. And above all, consult your local appraiser and/or your knowledgeable local real estate agent before investing big. Having a team of local real estate pros will help you avoid costly surprises. So next time someone tells you their $50,000 kitchen remodel definitely added $50,000 in value, you'll know better. Drop your questions in the comments below. I love helping folks make smarter, more informed real estate moves. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe to our channel for more real-world insight on home valuation and appraisal strategy. And for even deeper dives, case studies, market breakdowns, valuation trends, subscribe to the RVN newsletter at the link below. Trust me, if you're in this business, it's a must read. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.